To send a snap without directly uploading media, follow these two methods. First, open the Snapchat app on your device and log into your account. Ensure that you're using the latest version of the app. For the first method, take a blank photo within the app. After capturing the photo, tap on the icon that provides additional options. From here, select the Photo option, which will open your gallery. Choose a picture from your gallery, adjust its size, and make any edits you'd like. Once done, tap the Send to option to share it as a standard snap with your intended recipient. For the second method, open the app and navigate to the same icon that allows you to access your gallery. Select any image you want to send. Then tap the Send to option. Instead of directly sending it to a recipient, select the AI conversation, referred to as My AI, and press the paper plane icon to share it. Both methods allow you to send a snap without directly uploading media.